Hi everyone, in this video, I will be showing you easy way to download and install WhatsApp on your laptop or PC. So I'm going to show you a few methods on how to download and install. You can go to Google web browser and then type WhatsApp download and click the very first link here. And what you're going to do is to look for the download button. So you can scroll down here and then look for the download button, or you can simply tap this button up here. Also, you can go to your Microsoft Store, depends on what you're using on your laptop or desktop. And then here you have to go to the search icon and then look for WhatsApp. And then it's the same thing. Once you found it, what you're going to do is to simply tap Get. Wait as it is downloading or wait as it is installing. Now, when we say easiest way to use your WhatsApp on your desktop or laptop, what you're going to do is you have to go back to your Google web browser or any web browser, and then you have to type this WhatsApp web. Okay, so you have to click at the very first link that will appear right here. So let me tap it again this time. Okay, WhatsApp web for desktop, this one. And then you have to click this. Now you have to get your phone, and all you have to do here is to scan this QR code right here. After that, you have to go to, or you have to get your phone, go to your settings, tap link a device, point the camera here, and then after that, you will see that your WhatsApp account is logging in. So this is the easiest way on how to sign in, download, and install your WhatsApp on your laptop or your desktop. So if you have found this video helpful, or if you want to suggest something, please do comment down below, and please do like and subscribe to our channel. See you again in our next video tutorials.